Hello. For my CS50 Introduction to Python final project, I decided to build a Python program that helps people decide what video game to play. Game Picker. My friends and I often spend a lot of time trying to choose a game, so I wanted to automate that decision-making process with this project. Game Picker loads a list of games from an external CSV file, which I'll briefly show here. The CSV contains the game names, along with criteria specific to each game, which we will see here in a second, along with a link to that game on Steam, if available on PC. Switching back to the program now. Most of the program's logic is called from main, with the functions residing below. When the program starts, it loads the games from the CSV file and properly standardizes the data, and then asks the user a series of qualifying questions, including how many players will be playing, if the game needs to be online, the desired intensity level, how long the group wants to play, and which platforms the game should be played on. Based on those answers, the program filters the available games and then randomly selects one that matches the criteria. I also added a reroll feature, which is handled up in the main function. If the user isn't happy with the selected game, they can reroll and get another option from the same filtered list. To improve the experience, I included the logic to ensure that the same game is not selected twice in a row. If there's only one game that matches the criteria, the program will let the user know that no reroll is possible. I also added an optional Discord integration, which I didn't need to include per the requirements but wanted to explore connecting this program with outside servers. This is specifically an HTTP post request to a Discord webhook using Discord's API. My friends and I use Discord to communicate during games, so I implemented a feature that allows the user to send the chosen game directly to a Discord channel using a webhook. This feature is disabled by default, so the program works normally without any Discord setup. For this example, I will leave this functionality on so you get the full experience. I'll walk you through a quick demonstration. I also added emojis to the print lines, which when running Windows 11 shows up in the command prompt. I felt this improved the look and feel of the program. So, welcome to Game Picker. Let's say there's 4 players and we want the game to be online. We would like it to be high intensity. We have about an hour to an hour and a half of play time, so we'll go with option 3, and we'll play on PC. So it resulted in Deep Rock Galactic. It shows the information about the game and the link here. This is where the program will give you the ability to send the Discord link if it's set to true. If not, the program will let you know that it's not active. I'll demonstrate that link now. We can see that it's sent to Discord, and if we go to the Discord server, here it has popped up with the link directly to Steam to launch or download the game. I'll also show you guys the reroll function here. So if we want to reroll, we don't like Deep Rock. Now we have Void Crew, and it gives you the ability to send this link to Discord if you'd like to, but we will just quit for now. This project was a lot of fun to build. The CS50 Python course was extremely enjoyable and helped expand my understanding of Python, especially working with external files, testing, and integrating with outside services. Thank you to the Harvard educators for putting this course together, and thank you for watching. This was the CS50 final project.